Hey everyone, welcome back to Lumber Capital Log Yard. It's supposed to rain pretty much all day, but we are here anyhow because we have a lot of stuff to do. Before we get into the video, remember to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at lumbercapital07. Also, if you guys are interested in becoming a member, I will leave a link to the sign up down in the description below. At least check it out. So I don't really know if you guys care, but we did manage to get that large order of 200 1x10x12s done yesterday. So that is really good news, and we are moving on to new orders now at this point. This is the order that we are working on today in Jade's fancy handwriting. We have mainly 12 footers on the deck, but we definitely do need a little bit of both here. A lot of 2x10x10s. Probably not going to be able to finish this order today, but we can probably get pretty close, I would say. We're going to put it on dunnage again today. It's a lot easier to put it on dunnage when it's for somebody specific, because if it's not going in inventory, then we can pick it up with the forks and put it down on other dunnage in our customer pickup. That way we save picking it up and putting it down and picking it up and putting it down. So just efficiency of movement. Everything is so green. I love it. The boss is here today because it is just way too wet to work in the woods. So he's running the firewood processor, which is usually what he does when he can't work in the woods. All right, out of this first log, we're gonna get the 9 2x10x12s.
We can get more than 10. We should cut just a lot.
Yeah, I would think. And then that next one we're going to get 2x4s because you can get a 12, so that just makes sense with the numbers. Alright, we got 6 2x10x12s out of that log, but one of them, I'm not too pleased with, so I'm just going to call it 5. So we need 4 more of those. Like I said, this next one's going to be 2x4s. And it is a 10 footer. I feel like I haven't cut 10 footers in literally forever. Honestly, we might actually get this order done. I have been able to get something that I need for this order out of every log so far. It would definitely be really nice if we could complete it today. The thing is that we need like 54 2x10x10s, and I don't know if we'll be able to get that many. So far, we only have 14. This one is going to be 2x4s. We only need 7 more. We are getting closer and closer to completing this order. I actually stopped at the mill for a minute here because the head rig is kind of doing this rattling thing when I make it go down, and I think it might have something to do with this chain. So I'm gonna grease a few things and spray a few things and see if that helps. This is gonna clean it all up nice. This stuff freaking eats dirt.
Kind of smells good.
You're a weirdo, that stuff is so cool. Alright, and then I have some grease that I can also spray on there. White lithium grease. Well, I'm just trying it out. I don't know if it will help or not, but we'll see. I also thought that I could put some ATF on the bars that it rides on here. Alright, Jade, you can move that up and down, see if that helps at all. That's actually what it was that ended up working, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more on here. It's not really dirty, so I don't actually know what's going on with it. But it just seems that it needs a little bit of lubrication is all. It's only when it goes down, not when it goes up. It just does this like rattling thing. It has decided to start downpouring on us, but kind of good timing because we are wrapping up for the day. Yeah, it's really coming down right now. We got everything done in the order except for the 52 2x10x10s. I think we have like over half of them done, but I think we need like 14 more. It would have kind of been nice to get that order done today, but yeah. This is only half of what we cut today. The rest is out front in the customer pickup. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at lumbercapital07. And I'll see you next time.